Great communities have well-paying jobs.
Strong education systems.
And robust healthcare systems.
Transportation plays a crucial role in connecting our community. Lane County residents in both urban and rural communities need to get to and from work, school activities, medical appointments, and places to recreate.
Mobility is really personal. It's really about what you need in that moment and what's going to work for you in ways that are affordable, ways that are resilient, in ways that are reliable. And riding the bus is a part of the puzzle. Having a personal car is another part of the puzzle. Having good sidewalks that are ADA compliant are a huge part of the puzzle, as are bike lanes and carpooling and van pooling.
Let's take a closer look at some of our county's needs.
It's estimated that the average family with 2 working adults and 2 children in our area needs about $120,000 a year in annual income to support themselves. And our average wages don't necessarily match up with that. When you look at the cost of living in our area relative to what people earn, you can start to see some economic gaps forming.
Lane County families spend nearly 40% of their income on housing and transportation. When people are empowered with mobility options, including busing, biking, walking, and ride shares, it's possible to reduce that transportation cost.
Our area has higher housing costs than many, and helping people move from an area where they can afford to live to where they can work and get a high-paying job is an important outcome of the transportation system.
Transportation is one of the biggest solutions to helping people be healthy. Access to getting health care, make sure they have access to food, affordable food, not just junk food, but food that's going to be healthy for them and their families.
Public transportation access impacts both individual and public health. Collectively, we all benefit from reduced traffic crashes and pollution emissions. Individually, people who commute through active transportation modes and walk to bus stops and destinations are much more likely to achieve the recommended physical activity. Together, creative transportation systems that meet individual needs support overall community well-being.
Success in terms of transportation is that every student who wanted to be able to get to activities would be able to get there. The more engaged a student is, the more successful they are in their classes, and the more successful they are afterwards.
Students are our future workforce. We're about to embark on a long-range mobility plan that looks at the next 20, the next 30 years. We're planning for the kids of today and the kids of tomorrow to make sure that they have access to everything that's going to help them be successful.
It's the people, the leaders, neighbors, advocates, visionaries who make a community great. Connecting better, moving better, and living better starts with all of us.
It's about working closer with our partners so that the person on the street that needs to get from A to B knows what's available to them, how to use it, and has a good sense of that it's going to work for them, right, each and every time.
And if we all just continue to collaborate, it helps us to be a thriving community because we're all working on all cylinders together.